not only do we want it to be the right temperature, but when we're cooking with a stick burner, what we also want is we also actually look at the smoke itself. It's coming out of the smokestack. What we don't want is for it to be a dirty smoke. And a dirty smoke is like a dark gray, or it could be like a white smoke, but real heavy puffs, especially when you're starting off, because that's what's going to actually flavor your meat and it kind of gives it a bitter aftertaste. What you're actually looking for is you want your smoke ideally to be almost invisible to the eye. Like you can barely tell that the smoke is there. Let me get a better look. You can't see the top of the smokestack right now, but I think it's looking pretty clean, kind of like that. The other thing though, when you are cooking with a stick burner though, is you can't obsess over it, especially after your meat is already on the smoker. Because like when you put a new split on, sometimes it's just gonna be dirty or like a really puffy, just a lot of whitish, grayish smoke, and you just can't do anything about it. So you try not to worry too much about that. And you also try not to worry about chasing temperatures. You want your average temperature to be what we're trying for is like 240, 245. But if the temperature goes up to like 275, 280, I'm not going to worry about it. It's going to fluctuate as the wood burns. Trying to precisely keep it really close to 240, you're just going to wear yourself out because basically it's just a matter of opening and closing the damper on the firebox to either let in more air or restrict the air that's going into the firebox is how you control the temperature.